Welcome to Healing Temple Mu channel. Mu Radionics. Mu Radionics is basically the transmission of Mu healing energy using a Mu Radionics circuit. The principle underlying the use of the Mu Radionics circuit is that healing energy always follows the intention to channel healing energy. Radionics, from the word radio, to transmit. So in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use it. I'm going to explain the different components of a Mu Radionics circuit, and I hope that you will be able to use this circuit for healing and for making yourself and others become aligned to spirit. Mu Radionics circuits are nearly always used for absent healing. This is a Mu Radionics circuit, a complex symbol of the intention to transmit Mu healing energy. As I've already said, healing energy always follows the intention to channel healing energy. So it's just really a big symbol and a complex symbol. It consists of 5 components. On the extreme left hand side we have here the analyzer, and the analyzer collects data from the client's sample. So you would put a lock of hair from the client on this analyzer here, and it collects the data, it collects everything about the client that is needed for the healing, and transmits it to the Mu Radionics circuit. The second component is the collector. This actually collects life energy from the environment in 3 different modes: mercurial, saline and sulfurous. So the 3 alchemical components of every single atom in the universe, and 3 components of the life energy which permeates the universe. And so that's why the collector's in 3 parts, and it collects sulfurous, the saline and the mercurial, and unites them and transmits them to the Mu Radionics circuit. Thirdly, we have what they call the intelligence dial. Basically every symbol or sigil of the Mu royal family, for example the royal court physician, is assigned a number, a sequence of numbers in fact, and these sequence of numbers can be activated on the intelligence dial. The 4th component is the transmitter itself, and the 5th component is the collector, and the collector really takes all the data, the information from the analyzer, life force from the collector, and the energy of the Mu symbol or sigil from the intelligence dial, unites them and sends them to the transmitter, ready for transmission to the client. So that is the Mu Radionics circuit. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Mu Radionics circuit. So all you do is in this envelope here I have a lock of hair from the client, and I just place the lock of hair on top of the analyzer like so, leaving a little bit of room for me to touch the analyzer to activate it. And then here I have the name of the client, and I just put the name of the client on the transmitter component here, and so now we're ready to go. You can either write the name of the client on a piece of paper and put that on the transmitter, or you can put a photograph of the client on the transmitter, or you can visualize the person's face as you activate the transmitter, or you can do all three of those if you like. You can also charge fresh spring water using the transmitter, but mostly you use a Mu Radionics circuit for so-called distant healing, when the client is separated from you. So first of all, what you're going to do is touch each of the components in turn, saying the word activate, and but before that, it's quite a nice idea to vibrate the healing sound of Mu over the Mu Radionics circuit. Okay, so I'm going to activate each component in turn. I take my non-writing hand, which is my left hand, and all I do is simply touch first the analyzer, activate. I touch the second component, which is the collector, activate. And now we come to the third component, which is the intelligence dial. And as I say, each Mu sigil, or Mu entity, one of the royal family members, is assigned a sequence of numbers. And so here we have the sequence of numbers for the royal court physician of Mu, and which is so you just activate each number in turn. So starting with number 4, which is this position, activate. Number 6, activate. Number 7, activate. Number 1, activate. Number 2, activate. Number 3, activate. Number 5, activate. Number 0, activate. So that's the intelligence dial now activated, and then I just touch the transmitter, activate, and then to make the Mu Radionics circuit live, I just touch the central component of the circuit, the so-called connector, activate. And as soon as I do that, the circuit is live, and the healing is sent instantaneously, of course.